One photo can lead to so many different design directions. That's the idea behind today's video. We're starting with one bedroom image, and instead of fully rebuilding the space, I'm going to show you how to transform it step by step and then test multiple styles from the same base image. Hi, I'm Sasha from HomeDesignsAI, and in this week's case study, the goal is simple. Take one bedroom and explore different design directions while keeping the same structure in place. So this is a great starting image because the room already has a solid layout. We've got the bed, the window, the fireplace, the wardrobe, and the general structure already there. So instead of changing everything at once, I'm going to refine the room first and then use the same image to test different looks once we get the structure right. First things first, I want to remove the bookshelf near the wardrobe door, any clutter, and the current bed. I use the furniture remover with automatic selection, and if the AI doesn't catch an object, I go in with the manual selection to highlight what it has missed, so it removes everything cleanly. Then I generate that removal, so I've got a better base to work from. Now I want to bring the bed back in a more intentional way. This is where the new reference image feature on the Magic Redesign tool is really useful. I upload the bed reference image and I'm inserting this prompt, which helps the AI understand exactly what I want. Now this gives me a much better starting point for the rest of the redesign. Next, I want to change the flooring, the wall finish, and the ceiling light. I'm aiming for an organic modern feel here, so warm, soft, calm, and elevated. I'm using this prompt. Now we can keep this as it is, but I just want to show you how easy it is to make changes. So next I want to update all of the furniture, storage, and bedside details. So I'm changing all of the furniture to a more organic modern direction just by using this prompt. Now I want to add this rug. I uploaded the rug reference image and let the AI place it into the space using this prompt. Once I've got the structure right for the organic modern version, I can start testing different design directions. This is where the Magic Redesign tool becomes really useful. I keep the same room structure and change the entire design style. For example, I can take the same bedroom and turn it into a coastal modern design style using this prompt. I can continue to edit this image and swap in a different bed style if needed. So it's easy to make changes at any stage in the design process. And I can do the same with other styles too. For example, quiet luxury, I'm using the same prompt, just changing out the design style. And industrial, you can also use virtual staging to test different design directions. With virtual staging, I just select the space type and the design style. If I want, I can also insert a prompt here to guide the result a little more. The perfect redesign mode can do this too, but the changes are usually bolder and it can also affect the window scenery if it's visible. So if I want more control over what stays the same, I usually prefer Magic Redesign and virtual staging. Beautiful Redesign and Creative Redesign make more subtle changes. They're great when I want the room to feel updated without pushing the style too far. So once I have the structure I want, my go-to tools for testing different design directions are Magic Redesign and virtual staging. Once I'm happy with the final look, I can take it one step further and animate the image with the video generation tool. A slow pan or soft rotation helps bring the design to life. And if I want to find similar pieces of furniture in real life, I can use the furniture finder tool. I just upload the final image, select the country, and the tool helps me find similar furniture and decor pieces. So the idea doesn't just stay as a concept, it becomes something I can actually source. Here's the original bedroom and here are the different design directions. Same room, same structure, completely different results. That's why this workflow is so useful. One strong image can give you multiple design directions, multiple styles, and multiple ways to present the same space. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.